Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today I want to share with you, show you a few cool products that I picked up that I think you might like. Who doesn't love a good t-shirt, right? This company called TechTail, they make these very unique t-shirts. This one is 50% cotton, 50% modal. That's the material. I'm not sure what modal is, but it's a high-tech fabric. It's stain repellent, water resistant. Have you ever had a stain repellent, water resistant t-shirt? I haven't. Let's check it out. What do you think? Nice, white, crisp, clean. The material's a little bit heavier than a standard t-shirt, but it feels really good on. This is a nice fit right out of the box. It comes in this beautiful packaging with a Ziploc, waterproof packaging. Inside, there's a black t-shirt, which I'll show you later. But who uses this kind of packaging for a t-shirt? Pretty awesome. Very nice. The bag is actually 100% recycled. Check it out. Fits nice, feels good, stain resistant, water repellent. Know what I mean by that? Watch this. See that? It just runs right off. Amazing. Wow. Look at that. It's totally dry. Totally dry. So that was water in my shirt. It's completely dry. No problem. Let's try something a little more intense. Thankfully it didn't explode. Watch this. Ready? Here we go. Look at that. Foams up and just runs right off. That is crazy. Unbelievable. One more time. I've never seen anything like it. Then you just take a paper towel, wipe it off. Good as new. Look at that. That's amazing. I also picked up this beautiful hoodie. Nice black hoodie. I love hoodies. You know, some people say once you reach a certain age, you shouldn't be wearing hoodies anymore. You know what I have to say about that? What? It can be said with one finger. And silently. Huh? The hood is not super big, not overly large, just the right size. The hoodie feels fantastic, very comfortable. Check it. Nice rib knit at the end to keep out the wind, both sides, and at the bottom as well. It doesn't hang loose. It's got the same ribbing down at the bottom. The pocket has separate compartments on the right and the left. On the left for keys, on the right for your phone, and then the larger pocket in front of it on both sides. Very comfortable, very stretchy, feels fantastic on. And the best part, should we check? Let's get the strings out of the way. Here's the water. Ready? Same deal. Water repellent. Runs right off. You can just shake it. Comes right off, or use a paper towel or any type of a cloth and just wipe it. Completely dry. Even my shirt underneath, completely dry. You can't do that with just any other product. Let's get the strings back out. I actually did hit, there was a little stain right here, a little white stain. Maybe it was some milk. I think it was carrying a baby and I got a little milk on there. I've been wearing this hoodie for a couple weeks. I love this hoodie. And I just noticed it. I took a wet paper towel and wiped it. And it came right off, disappeared. So even if something does land on it and stay there for a while, you can still wipe it off. Completely gone. Let's remove this. One more thing to show you. Let's check out the black t-shirt, and I can show you the packaging as well. In the Ziploc, waterproof Ziploc, and with the TechTail sticker on there, holding it together. Remove that. Nice packaging. TechTail logo on the packaging. And then, in cardboard to keep it flat, with a desiccant. Do not eat, throw away, desiccant, to keep it nice and dry. Here's the t-shirt. Very nice black t-shirt. Let's swap it out. Here's the black t-shirt. Also very nice. It feels cool going on. This fabric feels like it would keep you cool. As I said, a little bit heavier than standard fabric. Very comfortable. Feels great. Let's test it out for the water repellency. Here we go. Look at that. Just runs right off. Amazing. A couple small droplets. If you just go like this, they disappear. Pretty amazing product. Excellent t-shirt. Excellent hoodie. I've been wearing it for a couple weeks, and I can't wait to wear the black t-shirt. I was saving it because I wanted to show you the packaging. In my opinion, fantastic. Very comfortable to wear. Water repellent, stain resistant. What more can you ask for? Click down below the video where it says more or show more for a discount code that you can use if you want to pick up any of these TechTail items. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving and more. Laundering instructions, machine wash cold, tumble dry low. That's it. Nice and easy. They're tagless, so no itchy tags in the back to irritate your neck. On a side note, here's a personal story. When I was a youngster, my dad was a tradesman. He always wore a white t-shirt, and he always had coffee stains on his t-shirt. And I would always look and just think, why? Why do you always have coffee stains on your shirt? I think when he put the shirt on, it had stains. Maybe they were permanent. I don't know. Rest his soul. I love you, Dad. But anyway, back to this. Number one, the way to prevent that in the first place, don't sit back in your chair and drink your coffee so when it spills, it goes on your shirt. If you're sitting, lean forward a little bit, drink your coffee so if it spills, it doesn't go on your shirt. If you can't do that, TechTail is the solution right here. What more can you ask for? The shirts fit great, feel great, look great, very comfortable to wear, very easy to maintain, machine wash cold, tumble dry low. That's it. Nice and easy. If you want to pick any of these up, click down below the video where it says more or show more. There'll be a discount code there for you so you can save some money while you're at it. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. I'm out. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.